Lots of people want to learn how to do a handstand, and I guess it's the gymnastics background that I had growing up, which means that even now in my old age I can still do a handstand. So I thought today I'd do a little tutorial about how to do a handstand. So you will need some sort of cushioning floor, especially if you're new to handstands, because if you go straight onto concrete and you fall, that's going to be really painful and possibly a trip to A&E. So what we need to do first of all is try and find something like this, like a little mat, or if you've got some cushions off your sofa, anything like that to start off. So the first thing that you need to be able to do in order to do a handstand is hold your body weight on your arms. So a good way to test how well you can do this is to get your bottom against the wall and your hands out in front, and then just see if you can take both feet off and put your weight on your hands. So that's number one. If you can do that successfully, great, you're ready for number two. So number two is to try and get the legs a lot higher. So from here, you're walking up the wall and trying to get your legs as high up as you can. Okay, so if you've managed to do that, what you need to be able to do is hold it for a little bit longer. So let's try that again. So going up and then hold it. From here, if you can lift your hands off, then you're starting to build the strength to be able to do a handstand. So once you're confidently doing that and able to put your feet up on the wall without any problem at all, then you need to reverse it round. So from here, you want to keep your mat against the wall. You're aiming to put your hands around this position, so there's still a bit of a gap between where your head will be and the wall. You do need to step up on one leg. It's very difficult to do it from 2 feet, so I would always suggest 1 foot forwards and then hands down here, and then what you're trying to do is kick your feet up onto the wall. Then once you've got your confidence here, you can take 1 foot off the wall, swap it round, do the other foot, and when you're feeling really confident, you can take both feet off the wall. So the final part of the tutorial is to just have a go at a handstand and try not to let your feet touch the wall at all. So as you're going up, you're trying to keep your feet away from the wall and just hold it. Then once you've got your utmost confidence, you can try it without any wall at all. So just kicking up and trying to hold your handstand.